I think there are some trouble in internet.
Yes, yes. Okay, I am school right now. I am in my school because it's summer already. We don't have class. It's free. So we have 2 month summer. We don't have class. Okay, so if it's morning, it would be okay for me, Miss Huyan. Okay, so now you told me you want to learn the business English, but I was not able to
That's
find the business English yet. I forgot it in my drive, but I have another option which is the active English. Okay, I will show you the active English, this one. One. This is the book one for active English. This is about reading.
practice reading.
Wait me a minute. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so this is the unit one. The topic, okay, can you see this, Miss Huyen?
All about food.
It's all about food. This is active skills, reading student for adults.
Mm.
Okay, so you can see in the picture, if you want to describe, can you please, do you like this food?
I like vegetable. Vegetable.
Vegetable, vegetable.
Vegetable. Mm.
How about bread and pastries, this one?
I don't like.
You don't like it? You
Yes.
don't like food? I mean, bread?
Yes. I only like. I only like. In these pictures, I only like vegetable.
Vegetables.
Vegetable. The other I don't like.
So it's already answers. Okay. By the way, Miss Huyen, do you like to cook?
Uh, you like to cook? Yes, I like to cook.
What dishes can you
This
cook? What dishes? Dishes, it means food.
this is mean food.
Dishes. Like the food that you
Yes,
eat.
I can cook. Yes, I can cook. I can cook. Very. I can cook many dishes.
Mhm.
Many dishes um like mm, noodle. Vietnam
Noodles.
Vietnam
Vietnamese noodles.
Vietnamese
Okay.
noodle. Vietnamese
Mhm.
noodles. Uh, Vietnamese food. All
Mhm.
Vietnamese food.
Vietnamese noodles, Vietnamese food. Okay. So what
Yeah.
else aside from that one? So what is the most common food in Vietnam that you want to eat? That you want to cook, sorry, you want to cook.
You want to cook. You want to cook. That's the squid and sour rib.
Is it noodles or no? It's meat, made
Squid
of
and
meat.
squid and sour.
Sweet and
Rib.
sour.
I said you
Ah,
message
yes, yes, yes. Sweet and sour ribs.
soup.
Oh, yeah, that's delicious. Oh, sounds delicious. I guess it's very delicious. It sounds delicious. Okay. So you love to eat just one. Okay, so we have here in the unit one, Miss Huyan, we're going to talk about restaurant for change. Okay, can you please read number one?
Restaurant
For
for
change.
cheese.
Hmm.
Cheese.
What
You
are
have asked me. What are some ways people learn how to cook?
What are some ways? Can you tell me?
I think that I think there are some ways people can learn how to cook. Such as people can learn how to cook via television, and via cooking book.
Yeah, in the
Via
cooking book,
cooking
in the YouTube.
that or they even uh, can have a cooking class have a cooking class.
Okay, yeah, cooking class. They will have, of course, YouTube,
Yes,
cooking class, and book.
yes.
Okay, correct. Okay, number two, please read.
Which of this way could be useful for someone learning how to cook at the job?
Okay, which
I
of
think
these ways
uh,
would be useful? Useful.
yes. Um, I think cooking is also a major in college at college
College.
and university, and
Mm-hmm.
um, so if you want to learn how to cook at the job, I think you need to resign. uh, you need you need to go
Resign?
to design have a short a short cooking lesson or
Oh,
a short cooking class at college or university.
mm-mm.
Mm,
At the college. College or
mm,
university. Okay, so it
yes.
could be. Mm-hmm. Which of these ways to be useful for someone learning to cook as a job? Okay. So if you know how to cook, you will be a chef. Okay, that's
Mm.
you become a chef. Okay. This one. Can you please read this one?
How can a restaurant change the person life? Person
Okay.
life.
Okay. How can a restaurant change a person life? Example, you're a chef in the restaurant.
I think I think in a modern life, and there are many people that's that's so busy. So busy, and they have a much time to cook. To cook
Mhm.
by themselves.
Mhm.
Restaurant um restaurant win help them to show uh to show it eating easier.
Mhm. Okay, I understand. Yes, I understand. So how can a restaurant change a person's life, especially if you are a chef? If you're a chef, how can the restaurant change your life? Of course, it gives big difference. Yeah. Okay. So, Miss Huyen, did you dream when you were a kid, when you were little, did you dream to become a chef or no?
Actually, when I was a child, my dreams of one of my dream jobs is become to chef, a master chef.
Okay, Master Chef. Wow. Okay.
because I
So,
like cooking because I like cooking very much, and um uh, my hobby and my hobby is cooking for my family and all my friends. especially is my children.
Okay, yeah, see, I understand. Okay, wow. So at least you have that one. Ah, solve eating issues.
Yes,
Okay.
but I think MasterChef is mm, a hard jobs. It's a hard jobs, and I need to I need to I need to have a good house, a good health. uh, Yes, and
Okay.
the time of and the working time the working time of this job is very long, very long, and very long, and
Okay, yeah, I understand. Okay. Okay, can you hear me?
that's and hours and the time is not fixed,
Um, it's not fixed,
and
not
the working
fixed.
time is not fixed.
Mm-hmm,
Yes,
it's not
not
fixed.
fixed.
Mm-mm. So you need to have proper
Yes, and
kitchen.
depending on that, and depending on customer. So I think it's not suitable for me.
Mm-mm. Okay, yes, yes. Okay, it depends on the customer. Yeah, it depends on the customer. Okay, it's not fixed. Okay, so I understand you want to be a master chef. What a dream. Because you know how to cook. Very good. Okay, so Miss Huyen, let us read a restaurant for change. After this, you have to answer questions. Okay, please read. Okay, paragraph one. Okay, look at number one here. We have number one. Okay, go.
James Oliver want to change people's lives, and he is using food to do it. Oliver Attack is well known for sharing his secret of cooking healthy food uh, through his magazine, cookbooks, and television shows. He is also changing lives through his Italian restaurant. 15,
Okay, so here,
15
Miss. Okay,
that
15. Okay, continue. 15.
and 15 started in London, England at a place to change young adults to work in a kitchen. Oliver's idea was to create a professional kitchen that can help young people get a fresh start and a chance to become professional chefs.
Mm-mm.
Every September, a new group of 18 to 20 years old start work at 15. When
Mm-hmm.
they start, they are usually not qualified for a restaurant job, but that's been changed quickly. In the 20 months of training, the students have study cooking at college and get hands on training at the restaurant. Besides learning kitchen, besides learning kitchen skill, they learn to importance of using fresh ingredients and how to create their own recipe.
Receipt.
And that receipts
Mm-hmm.
and education doesn't stop with preparing and serving food. The students also learn how to manage money and deal with difficult customers. Overall, overall, the programs encourage them to mm, believe in themselves and uh, and and enable enable them to look forward to a future in restaurant business. The restaurant's name 15 comes from the number of children the restaurant has when it started in 2002. Today, Oliver has a three of this restaurant, and a few hundred students have finished the program. Around 90% of the graduates are still working in the food industry. Some own restaurants or working in some of the best kitchens around the world. Others are now starring in their own TV shows. They are all great examples of what young people can do if they are given the opportunity and support.
Okay. So they're talking about 15. Okay, let us have here, huh? Okay. This is chef. Again, Miss Huyen, chef.
Chefs,
Okay. Magazine.
magazine.
Okay.
Sao ta? Play with me. Alo, wait. Alo. Cái gì? Mami. My mommy.
Your mom. Your mom?
Yes. My. Alo. Cái gì đây? Hả? Sao? 2015, 17 tháng 11 2015. My mommy is my mommy is uh, my
Okay,
mommy
your
is
mom.
here. Yes, is here, and now my sisters, my my older sister is my older sister is taking my mom to go to hospital to check uh, her eyes
Okay. She will gonna
to
have the
have
check
a
up. Check up.
that's
I check up.
check up
I check.
her eyes.
Okay. Now, okay, so now, Miss Huyen, we have the word chef. Okay, magazine. This one.
Magazine
Lives. Lives.
lies lies
It's not leaves, it's live. Lives.
lies
Okay, correct.
lies
Okay, correct. This one, adults. Adults.
adult
Correct.
adult
Okay.
đáp adult
Okay. Professional.
professional
Okay, this one you read it chef. It's chef. Chef, 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 chef.
chef chef
Okay.
chef
That one. Nearly. Okay. Chef,
chef
chef,
chef chef
chef.
chef
Okay, correct. Chef, chef.
chef
Okay. It's a chef.
mm,
Okay, this one it's
chef
qualified.
qualified
Okay. College. College.
college
Okay. College. J.
college
Okay. College.
college
Okay. Nearly. One more, Miss Huyen. College.
college
Okay.
college
Okay. Very good. College. College.
college college
Okay. This one. Ingredients.
ingredients
Okay.
ingredients
Do you know ingredients? Do you know the word ingredients?
Just I know ingredients is the one of the uh, for example, when you're cooking a food, I need to have many ingredients.
Ingredient. Correct.
Just and onions is one of
Yes,
the ingredients
correct.
for cooking.
Okay. When you Miss Huyen, you will say when you cook a food, you will use many ingredients. when you cook a food, you will use many ingredients for cooking. Okay, for cooking. But we will cook a food. Okay. This one encourages.
Say again.
Encourage. Encourages.
Encourages.
Very good. Oh, do you know the word encourages? Do you know encourage?
Yes, I know encourages in the make someone become better and make someone have a better mental health.
Okay, yes. Okay, you encourage, correct. Okay, you encourage someone to have a better mental health.
Yes.
Oh, you know mental health. So
For example, you usually encourage me to learn English.
encourage, yes, correct. Okay. Encourage you to learn English. Okay. This one, how about the word enable?
Enable.
Enable. Do you know the word enable?
I don't know.
Okay, like it's able, you are able. Okay, them to believe in themselves and enable them to look forward to a future in the restaurant business. Enable, it
And
means
that's
able, to learn.
enable. That's
Hmm.
I know.
You know this?
Enable is give me some give someone permit.
Okay, so enable, you give someone a
Someone
permission.
and enable. Enable.
Oh yeah, enable. That's correct. Enable.
Yes.
Okay, you understand enable?
Yes.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay, okay. This one, manage. Please try to read. Manage.
Manage.
Do you know
Manage.
manage? Do you know the word manage?
Yes. I know manage.
Like, can you explain?
The student also learn how to manage and uh, how to manage money is mean how to is mean manage how to uh, how to earn money how to earn money how to save money how to earn money how to that's
Okay.
and
Manage, like,
have the measure.
how to manage money, how to earn, how to save. Oh, manage like that. Okay, understand. Okay, this one. Please try right to with this. Okay, program.
Program.
Okay, do you know program?
That's
Okay,
program is popular, so I know I know I know it's mean industries.
industry. Industry. Again, industry.
Industries.
Industry.
Industry.
Okay, correct. Industry.
Industry.
Correct. Okay, next one.
Industry.
Okay, another one. What else, Miss Lian? Okay, here we have the word, okay, opportunity.
Opportunity.
Do you know the word opportunity?
That's opportunities is mean a chance.
Okay, it means, yeah, correct. It means it's a chance. It is a chance for
Opportunity
you
is a
to
chance.
have, okay, to have opportunity. Okay,
Yes.
so these are only few words. Oh, by the way, do you know the word hands-on? Hands-on. Do you know the word hands-on?
And that's hand-on training is the right and it mean directory uh, directory teacher uh, directory teacher teachers
Okay, it
people.
is. Hands-on, it is a training. Hands-on, it means you're direct. Correct, Miss Huyen. Direct learning. Direct learning.
Direct learning.
Direct learning, hands-on. Okay. So receipt, do you know the word receipt? It's
That
the?
receipt is that.
Okay.
Not
Correct.
true.
How about qualified? Qualified. Qualified.
Qualified. That's
Okay. Qualified, it means? What do you mean by
I
qualified?
know qualified.
Like?
Qualify is as a had enough power. Have
Okay, correct.
enough power.
Oh, how?
Have
What
enough
is it?
power.
You have enough knowledge. You have enough knowledge, not power. You have enough knowledge.
You have enough knowledge, power on knowledge on that
Position.
on that job.
Okay, on that possession. Okay, very good. So, yeah, okay. At least you understand, Miss Huyen, some of the words. It's very important. Okay, so what do you mean by this story or the text about restaurant for change? What do you mean by that one? What do you mean by the word restaurant for change? Okay, what is this? What is this text all about? This is all about the restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant?
That's 15 restaurant. That's restaurant called 15.
Correct.
And
15.
the 15 started in London. In London, England. And it is a place to change young adults to work in a kitchen.
Okay, so 15 is the name of the restaurant. They encourage to work young. Okay, 15.
Yes.
Okay, so we have here every September a new group of 18 to 25-year-olds start work at 15. Okay, so they will gonna have their work training. Maybe in the picture, you can see in the picture. Okay,
Yes.
so here
I
in
can see.
what you can see in the picture.
Yes, I can see the pictures. See the picture like like a, a class in in our previous college.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay, yeah. Okay. Oh, you study like this one? You study?
That's my college also have a cooking class
Ah,
major
yeah.
majors.
Ah, yeah. In your college, you have like this.
That's
Oh, wow. That's great. Okay, so this one. This is cooking. Okay. So maybe this is Jamie Oliver, the owner of 15. Maybe. Okay.
that's
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
He's
So,
a 15
owner.
owner.
Okay. How about paragraph 4? Look at paragraph 4. The restaurant comes from the number of students the restaurant had when it started 2002. What did you understand in number 4?
Number 4. Number 4 I only
What does it mean for number 4?
number 4 number 4 I number 4 let's us know
Yes.
number 4 contains let's us know Oliver Oliver had how many restaurant Oliver has and
As
Oliver has three
3.
restaurants and and they have a touch. They have a touch many students. They have a touch many students. A few hundred students.
Okay, few
And
hundred students.
There are few hundred students that have finished Oliver's training programs.
Okay, so yes, correct. We have training programs, correct. Okay. So the word 15, Miss Huyen, the word 15 comes from where? The word 15 comes from?
The word 15 comes from the number of students the restaurant has when it started in 2002.
Okay. So it comes from the number of students. They only have 15 students at the beginning. Okay. Some of the restaurants, and how many stores they have now? 3. And there are
Yes.
hundreds. 3.
And Oliver had 3 of these restaurant, and a few hundred students have finished his program.
Okay, yes. Okay, wow. So it's very nice. Okay, so again, the name of the owner is Oliver, and he has 15. Okay, 15 restaurant. Okay, this restaurant train the students to work at 15. Okay, they usually qualify to job, but that will change quickly in 12 months. Okay, so now let us answer this one.
Yes.
Okay. Now, choose the correct answers for the following questions. What do you think is the answer for number 1? Can you guess?
Them Oliver's 15. Them Oliver is the owner of the 15 restaurant.
Is the owner, correct. He is the owner, correct. Number 2.
Number 2, Oliver is the 15 to have young people find jobs.
Okay, find jobs, correct. Number 3.
Number 3 is like 12 to 13 lives. When they start, they are usually who does it refer to. They are usually
Okay, in lines 12 and 13, when they start, they usually blank. Who does they refer? Who the word they? This is pronoun. Who the word they refer to? Students at 15? Chef or customer?
Student at 15.
Correct. Very good. Okay, 12, 13, when they start, usually they refers to, very good, Miss Uyan. Students of 15. Oh, now, at least you understand, you comprehend. 14. What is the answer 14?
Yes. Today, most 15 graduates are working in the food industry.
Okay, industry. Industry. Thus.
In the food industry.
Okay, okay, so of course the answer is food industry. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, do you understand?
Industry.
Yeah, Miss Huyan, do you understand the story? You relate? You understand the story?
Understand this story, yes.
Okay, so can you please discuss? Do not arrange this one. Okay, discuss the following with a partner. Okay, let us discuss this one. Jamie Oliver started 15 to help young people get a fresh start in their lives. How could restaurant training make a young person life better? Okay, I think is the answer.
Make a young person.
Okay.
I think the cooking good restaurant training. I think 15 restaurant have has many had many training lesson training course has many training course to that have people teach uh, this course teach people that this course teach people how to cook how
Okay.
how to and then how to find and have people find jobs.
Correct. Yes, correct. Exactly. Okay, how to cook? Correct, Miss Huyen, you have the point. How could restaurant training make a young person's life better? Okay, they will know how to cook. They will access and how to find a job in the future. Okay, you get
Yes.
it. Correct. Two, how does learning to manage money and difficult customers help someone in the restaurant business? How does learning to manage money, how to manage money and difficult customers help someone in the restaurant business?
Mm, I forgot this content.
Okay. So if I will ask you, just personal, how does learning to manage money? You tell me you will manage the money. You will keep the money, manage the money.
Um,
And
yes,
difficult customer. In the restaurant, there are difficult customer, Miss Huyan. How can this on how to manage money and
I
difficult
think
customers
first,
help someone?
I think, I think first, I think if you do business in service and service service. Wait
Okay.
for
I
me.
think there,
Service. Lĩnh vực phục vụ.
their service.
Service fuel. Service fuel.
Oh, yes. Okay. Service
Uh,
customer, customer
Yes.
service.
I think I think if you do business in customer field and service customer field, um, uh, you need to first of all you need to learn how to build relationship with customers as well,
Mm-hmm.
and how to teach your how to teach our employees and how to build relationship with customer as well, and uh, how and teach employee how to serve the customers,
Mm.
that's especially you need preparing well the food
Mm-hmm.
preparing the food and and uh, and the clean clean the restaurant.
Okay, clean the restaurant.
Yes,
Okay.
clean
So,
the restaurant and arrange the own of thing in a restaurant
mm,
before customer come through.
okay, yeah. So you also need to handle difficult customers. There are difficult customers, right? You encounter this, Miss Huyen. You
That's the
encounter
sec
difficult
That's the
customers.
second, how to manage money. The first, how to manage different customer, and the
Customer.
second, the second issue is just in how to manage money, how to manage money. Uh, in my opinion, I think you need to have a balance. You need to have a balance. Um, uh, I don't, you need to classify. You need
Mhm.
to classify
Classify,
the
classify, classify.
classify the income.
Okay, classify the income. Correct.
The income. How much money do you earn?
Correct.
Money do you earn? And uh, you need to pay. You need to pay. How many thing you need to pay? How many thing you need to pay? And
Okay.
yes.
Manage money, of course. How about difficult customer? How will you handle difficult customer?
Difficult customer. I think difficult customer is
Hard to
I think
handle.
it is not easy to I think it is not easy to serve the difficult customers. But they uh, they also bring me they also bring us the money. So I need to try to try the best to serve difficult customer. And when you serve when you serve this customer, you need to focus on their request. and
Okay.
and for the request. And I think have no mistakes.
Okay. Okay, yeah, I understand. It's very hard to handle difficult customers. Okay, that the one you told me. Very hard. Okay. Do you have to, you need to give the requests. Okay.
You need to do own thing exactly. Or you need to do own thing well to serve this customer.
Okay. Customers, you need to
Customers.
you need to have what they call it, proper customer service. You need to
That's
have
customer service.
proper customer service.
Let's focus
Okay.
on customer service.
Correct. Correct, Miss Huyen. 100% focus on customer service. Okay, we have here some vocabulary. Okay, what do you mean by the word qualified? What is the meaning of qualified? Trained or not trained? Qualified people are usually trained or not trained.
I can hear you.
Okay. I hear you. I can hear you. I can hear you. Okay. So what do you mean by the word qualified? Okay, it is trained or not trained. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Very good. Very good. I can
Actually,
hear.
qualified people are usually not trained to work.
Okay. Correct. Trained to work. Trained to work. Okay.
Trained to work.
Okay, trained. Okay, number 2. The cafe near my home serves blank. What do you mean by serves? Good chef or delicious food?
Yeah, delicious food.
Okay, delicious. Delicious.
Delicious.
Correct. Okay,
Delicious food.
next. Okay. Which of these are ingredients? Which of these are ingredients? Fork and spoons, carrots and tomato.
Carrots and tomatoes.
Correct. Okay. Since this is hands-on training, you'll need to travel to the place or use your computer.
Mm.
Hands-on. Hands-on.
You will need to travel to the place.
Correct. Okay, you need to travel to the place for you to hands-on. It means you are gonna touch. Okay, you are gonna go on the training personally, not computer. Okay, our English teacher encouraged us to Watch movie
English
or
teacher
not
is
to do work?
encouraged
To?
to watch movie in English.
Correct. English. English.
English.
Correct. Okay, very good, Buyan. Okay, number 6, please read number 6.
Some examples about food are so some
Are?
examples how to food are fruits and vegetable
Okay, some
vegetables.
examples of healthy foods.
Healthy foods.
Correct. Are?
Healthy foods are fruits
Fruits and
and
vegetables.
vegetable. Vegetables.
Vegetables. Okay,
Vegetable.
vegetables. Correct. Again,
Vegetable.
please pronounce vegetable.
Vegetable.
Okay, vegetable.
Vegetables.
Okay, correct. Okay. So, Miss Huyan, our topic today is about vocabulary comprehension. This one, because this is what we call vocabulary comprehension. Okay. Critical thinking, and of course, reading comprehension. Okay. So, do you like this one? Do you like this material?
The next, I want to know the next lesson.
Okay.
The
I can send you
what
this file. You
continue?
want to change this? I will send you this file. You want it?
Hmm. Let me see.
Okay. So you will gonna see this one. Okay. I will send this file in Zelo. Okay?
That's okay.
Okay, at least
Let me
you
check.
can study. This is very nice material, Miss Huyan. This is active reading for adults. You can learn many. Okay, critical thinking, you have to 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 answer questions, vocabulary comprehensions. Is this okay? Is this okay, Miss Huyan?
You send me via Zalo in advance. I will see.
Okay, yeah,
I
yeah. Okay.
will see when I have a
Okay,
free
yeah.
time. So then I will tell you it is still
Correct.
for me or not.
Okay, yes. Okay. So I will send this now after the class. And please study. Tomorrow we're gonna have 9 a.m., right? 9 a.m. tomorrow.
Uh, um, no,
Ah,
because my mom because my mom my mom
you're,
come to my yes come to my
ah,
home my hometown.
okay.
Today this week I we have only uh, one class. So the next week I think I have a free time and we will have a 3 class.
Okay. So Monday, are you free on Monday? Morning, it's okay with me.
Mm,
The same time?
I think Monday is okay
The same
when
time.
daytime.
Okay. The same time. Please tell me Monday, the same time. So at least you will gonna accompany your mom. Your mom will be here. So Saturday and Sunday is for
Um,
your mom's day.
that's because today I'm off. I'm don't go to I don't go to work and I'm at home now.
Ah, okay. Okay, okay, yeah,
Yes,
I
and
understand.
and the next week I will inform you daytime.
Okay, daytime. Okay, we can have 3 classes
Yes, I
next
think
week.
daytime is still for me.
Okay,
Yes.
3 classes.
But
Ah.
I think you need to take a rest in evening and you are playing in
Yes.
daytime.
Okay. Yes, Miss Uyen. Okay, morning is good. Okay, like this. It's very solemn. Okay, no one is around.
Okay,
Okay.
I know.
Okay. So I will see you on Monday. You can choose 8:30. It's okay with me. Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I will tell you later.
Okay. I will share this material. Okay. I will share this material. I will send it in Jello.
That's
Please study
that's
the book. I
you
will send book 1 and book 2. This is book 1.
that's
And I will send book 2.
you send. Yes, please
Correct.
send me these materials via Zalo. I will see.
Okay, yeah. Okay, please check. Okay, thank you, Miss Huyen, for today. See
Yes,
you
thank
next
you.
week.
Yes, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you so much for
okay.
today.
I can
And
rest in the evening.
okay,
Bye-bye.
I wanting. Yes, I think so. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.